Hello students, this is me, Saurav Praveen. I am making this recording for the students of class 9 for the subject of mathematics. The students, in this particular video, we're going to learn about probability. In last class, that is in the common class, I gave you certain concepts about probability. In class 8, you have studied about theoretical probability. In this particular class, we're going to learn about experimental probability. Okay? In this particular video, we're going to learn about experimental probability as this is included in the syllabus. Now, experimental probability, as the name suggests, is based on real life examples or real life experiments actually, and not necessarily on the basis of theory. You already know about these things, that how to calculate the probability from particular event, that you have learned in class 8. If you don't have, if you have not learned it, I'll just give you a brief recap of the same. These are just the same explanation. I'll explain all this with the help of an example that is in the book. Now, here is the formula for the calculation of probability in case of experimental probability. Okay. So, PE, it is written as probability of event E. Okay. If it is E1, then we have to take it as E1, probability of E1. Now, number of trials in which the event happened, and total number of trials divided by total number of trials. This is the formula for the calculation of probability in case of experimental probability. Now let me explain you this of the concept of experimental probability with the help of this particular example here. What is the question? As it is a word-based question, and as usual I say that you have to understand the meaning of the word-based question before solving the question. Now the question says a coin is tossed how many times? 1000 times. Okay, with the following frequencies. Frequencies means the number of times this part is in case of head, the head is turned up, and this is the number of times tail has turned up, or tail has become the result of the toss. And these are the frequencies. These are known as the frequencies of head and tail respectively. For head the frequency is 455, for tail it is 550, so 545. Okay. You are asked to compute the probability for each event, that is for getting head first and for tail. Okay, so we're just gonna apply the formula. The probability of event E is going to be number of heads divided by number of trials. That is total number of trials. Total number of trials is 1000. Yes, the coin has been tossed 1000 times, so this is going to be the total number of trials, and the frequency for head is how much? 455. Okay, so 455 divided by 1000, it is going to give you 0.455. It is not read as 450, it is read as 455.4455. Okay, now in the same way, the probability of getting a tail, that is f is another event. F has been assumed. The probability of the event of getting a tail has been assumed as probability of event f. I mean the event f is the event of getting a tail after a toss. Okay, So the same thing, number of trials, number of tails divided by total number of trials. The same thing, the values from here. For tail it is 545 divided by 1000. So here you go. Now this is to be noted here that if we add the probability of getting a head and the probability of getting a tail, if we add these two, it will give us 1 as our answer. Okay. Now in the next video I'm gonna discuss about this. Okay, when two coins are tossed simultaneously. In this coin we have only one coin that we have tossed. Okay, thank you.